Josie here, Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you all. And most of the items that you will see here will be used on my upcoming DIY. So let's get started. I got two of these Ferry Doors, and I like that they're made of wood. And this one includes 3 paints, so they're the same, and then a small brush. I am going to be using this because every time they have kind of wooden pieces or wooden material at Dollar Tree, I tend to get them, and this is a pretty substantial size. As you could see my hand here, so you can do a lot of things on this type of wood. So they are in the arts and crafts section. I got also these wood letters, and they are 26 pieces in each, so all of those letters that you find in the alphabet you will see here. But since there are only 26, that means there are only one of each. If you're going to try to spell something, make sure that you have more than one. Minimum 2, probably 3 would be best, so that when you need to repeat letters, then you have more than one letter. So I bought 2 of these. Next, speaking of letters and numbers, I found these poster stickers. So these are 56 characters here. These are the small letters, and I bought 2 of them, so they're the same. So these are the peel and stick poster stickers that you can use for DIYs. I bought 2, and then I bought 3 of the caps, or the capital ones. So they also have 56 characters here, and it includes exclamation points, quotation marks, question mark, and some dots here. Last year I purchased this as well, and I had a DIY. I'm going to be putting it in the upper right hand corner as an iCard if you want to watch it. I created like a wreath, and I used this. So I used the back, and I covered it with scrapbooking paper, and you can pretty much paint on this, you know, especially this one doesn't have a sticker, which is great. You can paint on this, you can put contact paper, gift wrapping paper, or any decorative paper like a scrapbooking paper. I think this is new. I don't think I've seen this last year, but this also came in red. I didn't get the red one, but I'm gonna do an insert of a photo here. And this one is in blue, and as you know me, I would rather have blue than red in my home, but who knows, I may still paint this, maybe make it a little bit more neutral or lighter, because I mentioned this in my other 2 videos where I did my fall decors, and I'm going to be inserting them here too, that I'm kind of swaying away from the traditional, you know, kind of colors of fall. So this one here, I like this one a lot. I mean, I like red trucks, don't get me wrong, and they start showing up during fall and then will spill over to the holidays, Christmas time. And I really like this a lot, to be honest. And sometimes I think that maybe it's just the pumpkin that I need to change the colors and maybe kind of neutralize it a little bit and tone down the orange here. So let me see what I can do on this one. The biggest thing that I am not too happy about is this glitters here. So I may need to just kind of decorate the back, remove the stickers, or paint over this thing here. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen. I like this that it says Happy Fall. I figured I'd get this year, and I'm gonna take advantage of the blackboard and perhaps kind of do a little bit of paint technique here on the edges, or maybe add some more, maybe add a frame or something so that it's not plain. So yeah. Another one here. Okay, I have this one from last year. Last year I did use this word. You know, you can remove this, just be careful, and then you can put this on your other projects. And here it is to Harvest Blessings. I like the pumpkins here are more bearable than other colors of pumpkins, so I really love this. And of course the wood background and the handle that is in twine. So yeah, love this a lot too. Okay, so I'm gonna do an insert here of the pumpkins, the ceramic pumpkins that I got, but please forgive me for the film. When I videotaped it, I was using my new Samsung S10, and I like the quality of it, but I was tinkering with it too much that the margin or the ratio was not right. So I'm gonna insert some of the video clips here of my other haul. Okay, so this is just not one trip to Dollar Tree, but a couple of trips. This one you can use all year round, but I like using this for neutral fall decor. So if you see them out, these are more kind of like greenish color, pale green, not dark green. You know, our home, we kind of try to do from last season, we want to do a little bit more neutral colors. I got 5 of this. So you cannot find any better deal for hydrangeas than Dollar Tree. They also are out with their white ones as well, but I still have a few more white ones. And I kind of want to mix this with neutral colored pumpkins. I got this also. This one comes in black as well as orange, as well as this one. This is a neutral tone. I like what it says, gather with grateful hearts. Don't really need to do anything anymore on this one because, again, I'm trying to do something neutral. There is a stem there. There's a raffia bow here, very simple. There is a black one with gold glittered letters. Then there's, of course, the traditional orange one with white letters. But since I'm going neutral, I picked this one out, Gather with Grateful Hearts. If you have those tiered trays, you can actually put this and it will not be too big. So that's why I really like this a lot. And for $1, I think that's a pretty good price. Okay, these ones, they've appeared last year, but I never got them. But this year I have some projects for this one. Actually, you can use them as is, but then again, I'm going for more neutral, and I don't really like sometimes the glittered ones, although they mixed up some kind of burlap texture with the raffia, a little bit of farmhouse here. Welcome, friends. And then the tall one, Hello Fall. And oh, I found this ones. And again, don't be fooled how long or big this is. This is just the size of a ruler, the length of a ruler. This is actually like probably a couple of inches high. And this is more like 2.5 inches. But the width is, I think, 12 inches. And I like this, very neutral. I like the thankful one. And of course, the buffalo check or gingham effect there. So I took 2 of this. And the other one is Gather. So it has the burgundy color and brown. It's browner. Look at the tone here. This is darker, right? Kind of, it's almost like neutral, light brown color, cream colored, and then this one is white. So I took 2 of this. And I have a project. I don't think this was sold last year, or if they were, I probably missed out on that. But this year I went in a little earlier. So this one is the ceramic. It's glossy. And it also comes in different colors. So let me just show you what I got. So that's the green one. I love the blue ceramic. And this one is a little chubbier or taller too. See that? They come also in orange, which I didn't get. And I believe it comes also in darker brown, which I did get. Okay, but I did get this one. So these are the same size. So yeah, I got this one. So I think this is more like a taupe color. So this one is hollow, not as heavy as before. And I got the ones from before. They were good for weights, paper weights. And this one is lighter, which is good. They are all the same sizes. I took 3. And this one is metal, okay, guys? But this is ceramic. Actually, more resin. Okay, so I got 3 of those. Okay, now I'm back. I'm back now from that other clip. So this one will be good for fall, and this is in the baby section, fleece baby blanket, and I got 2 of them. Just want to make sure that I don't ruin this. I'm going to use my scissors. There we go. Okay, so they really, there we go. So I want to show you how big this is. And this is the same material, because it's fleece, that they used for those scarves, because last year they came up with buffalo checks, the black and white, and then there are some checkers, the red as well and white, or red and black. But this one is pretty too, that you can actually make 2 decorative pillows and then just put the cottons or the battings inside. See there, as for fall. Especially, I'm going for the more neutral one, and you always see me kind of really enjoy the gray organizers or bins that Dollar Tree came up with. So I like this, that it will really go well. I still have a lot of those fleece scarves, the black and white buffalo checks that I got last year, and I'm going to incorporate them on my fall DIYs as well. Inserting an iCard here for that video that I created last year where I used the fleece to line a basket and made it like a farmhouse basket, and I filled it with fake pumpkins, those big pumpkins that they sell at Dollar Tree as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will not miss any of my new uploads. And I hope to talk to you again on my next video. Take care, everybody. God bless. Bye-bye.